Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Sicamous, British Columbia, a charming town nestled in the heart of the Shuswap region between the stunning Shuswap Lake and Mara Lake. Known as the houseboat capital of the world, Sicamous is a paradise for water enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Sicamous was originally inhabited by the Sicamous First Nation, who have lived in the area for thousands of years. The name Sicamous is derived from the Sicamous word Sicamous, which means narrow channel of water. This name perfectly describes the town's location at the confluence of two beautiful lakes. Today, the town's economy is largely driven by tourism, thanks to its picturesque landscapes and abundant recreational opportunities. Visitors flock to Sicamous to enjoy its famous houseboats, which offer a unique way to explore the lakes and surrounding wilderness. Whether you're looking to relax on the water or embark on an adventure, Sicamous has something for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Sicamous, British Columbia. Thanks for watching!